Welcome to the French Drain Man channel, where we're here to educate the homeowner so they can make a great decision for a quality yard drain system. This is the Easy Flow by NDS, or Easy Drain, and it's only 7 inches. That's it. That's all it is 7 inches. That's all it measures. Keep in mind there is a 4-inch pipe in here. So there's only 3 inches of aggregate. That is it. We recommend a 14-inch by 14-inch channel of stone. It has a 4-inch pipe in it, but that's more than 300% the aggregate. So they want to say that this poly rock flows 30% better. Okay, well, let's just say they're right. Let's say they're right. It flows 30% better. But if I have more than 300% gravel or aggregate, as they do, they can't touch it because we do a 14 by 14. Now, here's where it gets really confusing and very interesting. So this system is supposed to move all this water. And it's supposed to compete with a gravel drain. Well, we got inside this swimming pool noodle. It doesn't have very big inlets, and it only has 4 slots per valley. Now, my subscribers are contractors, homeowners. I've talked to many of you. Very, very smart people, educated. These claims, how is this pipe moving the kind of water they're claiming? I don't get it, because you could only move the water that this pipe takes in. You're literally moving the water as fast as the inlets will allow it. So let's go to what I have been showing you guys now for a couple years at least, and I've been doing for a long time. So this is a pipe with 8 inlets per valley, and you can see how deep they are. You can see how wide the cut is. This pipe moves 8 times the water that pipe that I just showed you does. So I don't understand where they're coming up with this stuff. And then the way I build it with gravel, I'm putting over 300% the aggregate. I mean, that is ridiculous. More than 300% the aggregate. So if we give them the benefit of the doubt, and what aggregate is there, that little 3-inch, don't forget that, there was a 4-inch pipe in the middle of a 7-inch styrofoam French drain, and then they want to put it, connect it to an inlet basin, where if you measure the inside of an inlet basin, it's only 3 inches. So you choke it down some more. I mean, first it doesn't have enough inlet to really rip and roar like this pipe, and then you're going to choke it down to 3 inches. That was a public service announcement from the French Drain Man, and I just want to say peace to all the contractors and homeowners that want to do it right the first time.